Hi, my name is Dan Lammett, and I am with the Moab Celtic Festival Committee, and we are holding in November the Moab Celtic Festival Scots on the Rocks. And that would be November 7, 8, and 9 to promote Scottish and Celtic heritage in this area and bring culture to the city of Moab, where we have everything else but that.
Matt Jameson, obviously Scots on the Rocks. Awesome experience to be able to come down to the Red Rocks, one of the most beautiful venues in the state of Utah. I know a couple guys will say no Zion's better, but with the big Red Rocks in the background, sound of pipes in the background, awesome experience. One of the easiest venues to bring people in and be able to see everything. Not to mention the rock climbing, the ATVs, the OH vehicles that can go anywhere if you want to come down and go biking. Great trails, hiking, premier destination event, Moab, Utah. This event will be awesome.
I'm Andy Draper. Moab is my favorite place in Utah. Been coming down here for years. The activities that are afforded here, the views, everything about Moab is some of the best things that Utah has to offer. And if I can help anyway to promote Moab and get more people down here while promoting my own Celtic heritage, then I'm all for it.
There's so much to do here. This place is exploding with all sorts of new things to do. People come from coming here all over the world. All the European countries come here because of the beauty and the things to do. So we're adding one more thing to the calendar and bringing the Highland Games here and letting everybody show and see that it's just not only done in other places that are a lot bigger, it's done in small communities like Moab.
And we are planning on this being a full and complete Scottish festival. Highland Festival. We've got the heavy athletics, which includes the caber toss and the hammer throw and all of those type of strongman competitions. They have bagpipe bands, Highland dancers,
all the Highland food, tons of food, from haggis to Scotch eggs.
Stuff you can do. All the biking, the rock climbing, rappelling, OH vehicles, not to mention the pictographs that are here. There's some big heritage down here in Moab that's a lot of fun to see. Indian artifacts and even dinosaur tracks.
Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom was filmed here.
Speaking of movies, John Wayne did 28 movies here, and let's not forget Johnny Depp's latest one, The Lone Ranger, was filmed here, and many, many more. This place is just a haven for movies and HBO documentaries and everything that goes on here. It's definitely one of the best places in the United States to come if you want to learn or play or just come to relax.